camera inspection at 9145 East Vine Avenue. We're in this carport, single clean out right by the front door. I've got the water running in the hallway bathroom. So we've got some soap from the washing machine. This area, the pipe is underwater. I do have some water running, but underneath the carport like this, there's a possibility that this drain line sunk down in the ground, settled. So now it has what we call a belly. So when we first started to do the inspection, the drain cam inspection here, we could see the pipe, and now it's underwater, so it's likely the pipe has lowered in elevation underground. We're still underwater here. Still looks like ABS pipe. It's really hard to see, but it is kind of gunky in there. I can't tell what that is. Looks like it's moving inside of the pipe. Some type of debris. More debris. Now I'm pushing into a bunch of the gunk. It's getting kind of hard to push out. Yeah. You're now located at a cleanout in the driveway, right to the east of where we were. I believe this is going to go down to the septic tank. Yeah, you can see how full that is. We've got water all the way up to the top. It's full. Definitely needs pumping on the septic tank. There's another clean out in the backyard. I'm going to see if I can get access down into the pipe to do that as well. This is the third clean out located on this property, right next to the pool, going down into an ABS pipe. Really gunky. That's already full of water. So there's no need for me to scope these lines because the septic tank is pumped full. Everything is going to start backing up if it doesn't get pumped out.